What's up, y'all? My name is Chase Reeves, and this is the Standard Pacific Field Pack. I do in-depth reviews of bags. We're about to dive in on this one. Now, I am gonna walk you through every nook and cranny and every feature on this bag, because there are a lot of them, and some of them are really innovative. But here's the gist on this bag. This bag was designed to be something that you could take out like snowboarding or going out on a hiking adventure or something like that, and be stylish enough for you to take it to the office. And I think that they absolutely achieved those goals. It's got decent capacity for bringing an extra pair of shoes, maybe some gym clothes, something like that. So you can use this easily as a daily carry if you need to be getting to the gym. And it's also stylish enough, kind of cool. It's honestly, it's kind of Japan. It's kind of like you walk around in Tokyo with this and they'll be like, whoa, what is that? Now, I'm actually gonna start with the main compartment on this bag. Normally I walk around the outside, but this bag is designed to be able to access your main compartment through the back panel. Now, sometimes that's kind of annoying. You can access it through the top. Right here, there's a zipper, bada bing, bada boom. It's got these these buttons that hold this thing down in case you want. I don't know exactly why. I mean, you could also like not have those hold in, and then you have a little more capacity. But those buttons pull it down so that you can, you know, cinch your stuff down. It's kind of a cool look. Just some accessories on the outside that look kind of dope. So you can access it through the top, but most of the time for me, I find that I access, when I pack it at least, and unpack it through this. We've got this big old YKK number 10 zipper around the outside. Let me just make sure it is a YKK. I'm looking. You know, it actually doesn't say YKK, so maybe it ain't Y. No, dude, it is. It says YKK on the pulse. It's a YKK, big old number 10 zipper. And then you open this up and you got access to the whole thing. First of all, let's go on this side. You've got your laptop compartment and your iPad compartment, nice and spacious on that one. And then a nice little, like, look at that. It's like a little glasses. It's perfect for glasses. I wish this had maybe a lining on the inside, maybe, but I would probably feel comfortable putting my glasses just right inside. By the way, up in here, you see it says Standard Pacific by Jaybird Co. Design House in Portland, Oregon. I went into this guy's shop and he's making stuff for two brands, Jaybird and Standard Pacific. Dope stuff. Jaybird's mostly like canvas, leather stuff, and this is a little more technical. Then on this side, you can see there's this whole mesh thing with a zipper that goes all the way around it. That's your main compartment in there. On this side, you have one little like pen compartment type thing. And then this like tech, you see it has some dimension to it. This tech guy that actually Velcros right off in case you wanted to pull your stuff out. I would throw my, you know, charger and a handful of other stuff in there when I was using it. So it's kind of nice. I never pulled it out though. So let's open this sucker up and I'll show you a little bit of the capacity. Got a nice little zipper around the outside, and the webbing just keeps everything inside this main compartment. And I have two things going on. Number one, this is a pack that comes with this bag, and number two, a little packing cube. This is just a sack that I got from Heim Planet, I believe, and it's just got some towels and stuff like that inside to show you some size, because it can fit quite a bunch in here. You just push that in, and now you've got, I mean, so like for an overnight trip or something like that, like that's easy. Then they call this a fresh pack. It's your fresh pack, and it just comes right out. It's got two, you know, of the backpack, like little things like, oh my God, I'm going to high school again. And what it's for is for like putting your shoes or putting your dirty clothes or something like that, right? So that comes with the bag because again, this bag is meant for going out on adventures with you, whether that's weekend trips or being out snowboarding or something like that. So you can put whatever you don't need in a fresh pack like that, your dirty clothes, your stinky fudgies. So that's the inside of the bag. The capacity of it, I think, is pretty killer. They say it goes from about 25 to 28 liters, depending on if you have those buttons undone. Okay, so now let's check out the outside of the bag. I've zipped it all up, and first things first, let's look at the size of it on my beautiful body. Okay, so there you have it, 25 to 28 liters. I am 5'10", about 190 pounds. And getting lighter. And this is what it looks like. As you can tell, I'm definitely on an adventure. I'm on an adventure, and I have everything that I need with me in my backpack. This is my adventure movements. Adventure. The straps are nice. It's got a nice little sternum strap there. Padding and the ridge flow intercooler on the back is just, it's solid. The whole thing's solid. All right, now we're gonna get into some of the fun stuff, all right? You ready for this? Let's get the fun stuff going. First of all, bam, quick access pocket right here. It's got some felt lining on the inside. Perfect for your sunglasses. I end up throwing my headphones into that one. Second of all, bam, zipper to get into that main compartment. Look at that. Fresh pack, right? See that? You got it right there. That's your main compartment zipper. Another YKK, looks like about a number 8, I think a number 8, with an aqua seal zipper. It's all gusseted against the weather for you. Okay, so then you have a zipper that goes down this side. You have the same thing on the other side, which I'll show you in a second. This is an interesting pocket. This is a long zipper here where I will show you what they have. First of all, that's where I've been keeping my rainfly. It has a rainfly that looks kind of dope, that you cover it all, the whole thing over with if you want. Keeps you totally dry in the monsoon. But inside here, you've got some great, great little side pocket you can add stuff in, and a little divider inside that's like perfect size for your iPhone, sunglasses, something like that. I love that they added this pocket because it's just a nice little, extra thing. Sometimes you're needing an extra thing. And they provided that. And speaking of extra things, look at this on the other side. Ready? Ready for this? Same pocket, opens up, except this one is, what is that? Is that like insulated foil? And yes, it is. It's made to fit like 3 beer cans. I can't remember if it fits 2 or 3 or 4 even. He said that he got inspired by seeing on tennis bags, they always have like a pocket like this so you can put your water bottle in there and it would keep the water bottle cold. And he was like, why don't I add that to my bag? Pretty dope, actually. It'll keep your stuff cold kind of well. I mean, not like it's gonna do it indefinitely, but when you're out on your adventure and you need a sessionable IPA, there you have it. You're welcome. From Portland to everyone else, you're welcome. Then finally on the bottom of the bag, you'll see there's some lash straps here that you can, put your yoga mat or your tripod, depending on what kind of adventures you're going on. And I have to say, I like this fabric down here, this sort of, I don't know what it is, but down here you also have those buttons that clip down to give you those little devil horns at the bottom of it, so that you can pack out a little bit more, get a little more liters. I should also mention that those straps where the buttons are great little lash straps for anything that you need to, if you need to run a strap of some kind through to put your snowboard or skateboard on your bag or something, it would work great for that. And ultimately it looks kind of dope, right? I like this bag. It's made from great materials. The fabric itself feels awesome. And the whole thing is relatively seriously water resistant with the zippers all covered up, and then this is a water resistant nylon. It feels like a ballistic nylon. It doesn't say on his website what it's actually made from. But I like the way they made this thing. This is a great looking bag. It's got tons of functionality. So check out the Standard Pacific Field backpack. If you were looking for other bags that would be similar to this, I would have to say the Peak Designs Everyday backpack. Check that out. I'll put a link to it here or down below in the description. Definitely an interesting backpack. Doesn't look the same. This bag does come in a gray color that I think looks maybe a little bit smarter, and that is sort of similar to the Peak design, but Peak is just another one of those techie, dope companies that has all these features and designs in their bag. All right, y'all, that's it from me. I have been Chase Wardman Reeves. If you purchase this bag or any of the other bags in my channel, in my milieu, please do so through the link in my description because it helps support the channel. And my wife lets me make more bag videos. So for all you people who buy bags through my links, merci. I really appreciate it. You're really helping out. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Am I getting it? Is this the right side or is it that side? Go ahead and subscribe. I think it's probably this side. Is this where the subscribe is? I don't know. Subscribe to the channel because I make videos like this all the time. Lots and lots of bag videos and more to come for sure, as well as other reviews hopefully in the future. And if you'd like more from me, you could check out my podcast. It's called The Fizzle Show. all right? Because most businesses fizzle out, and it's made for people who are starting their own small business. So check out fizzleshow.co, and I will see you there. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bagworks.co. ChaseReeves.net.
Those are the websites.
I guess those are the websites.
Yeah,
I
he's
guess
wanting us to, I guess, go check out what he's up to or something like that.
Yeah, looks nice.